Good afternoon, Hobie Cat. My name is Michael Zellner. I'm filling in for David Van Driel out of our headquarters in Denver, Colorado. This is Willow. Willow is your Cat Mitsubishi FBC18N, a 3,500 pound capacity trucker's mast with cushion tires. It's got a side shift on it. We've also got the forks and safety, red and yellow. Awesome little machine. This whole fleet of truckers masts that we purchased have all been awesome machines. I'm gonna go ahead and start the forklift up, run it forwards, backwards. We'll go ahead and get this prep for delivery for you guys. Good responsive brakes. These little machines have awesome turning radiuses. They turn on a dime. If you're in a small warehouse setting, these are very nice. As you can tell, these electric units are very, very powerful and responsive. Quiet, zero emissions. This is our side shift function. Whenever you're hopping off the forklift, always be sure to pull the handbrake, which is on your left-hand side right over here. Boom. Always essential. Got your lights. Fully functional. Ready to rock. All right. Thank you, Hobie Cat, for trusting us with your business so we could help you build yours.